Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Prone here. Today we're checking out The Cult with the song called Rain from 1986, Alive. I've never heard of The Cult, I've never heard of the song Rain. One of the patrons of our patron requested this reaction, so we're gonna be reacting to it. And yeah, I'm just really excited to jump into this reaction because, like I said, I've never heard any of their stuff. But if you guys want to support the channel, check out Patreon, the link is down in the description. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get into it. Alright. The Cult. Let me turn that up in my headphones. They do look like a cult, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. This is going somewhere. Maybe a bit more louder. Oh my god! Oh! So far, I'm really liking his vocal though. I was gonna say, the chorus is super catchy. I like the way he kind of changes between the dynamics of his vocals. At some parts, his vocal is very quiet and like he's almost whispering to the microphone, and other parts he's like shouting. The rest of the instruments, the rest of the song is kind of constant, right? We got the electric guitar and the drums, kind of playing the same thing from the beginning. Is the main thing that's changing is the vocals. Okay. Oh, okay. So maybe that wasn't him. Maybe that was this other singer, because you can see that he actually stopped singing and this guy continues singing. So maybe right there. Yeah, maybe. Maybe that's what I was hearing. They got like the full like punk hairs and everything. Oh, I love it. harmonies. He slightly looks crazy. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little bit. That's like a build up here. Interesting. It's kind of building up to. I think it's gonna build into the end of the song. I don't think there's gonna be another chorus, but. This guy's vibing. Oh, never mind. Okay. Forget the last chorus then. He's got a powerful vocal though. Woo! Damn. Thank you very much. Okay. Well, that was Cult with The Rain. Like I said, that was a super just blind reaction. I've never heard of them. I've never listened to their music. The one thing that I really like about the song is, I mean, it was a pretty constant song. Like there wasn't that many changes in it. Nothing crazy with like the structure of the song. But one thing that stood out to me is the main singer's vocal. I really like his vocal. And I think I would just have to listen to a lot more of their stuff. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments like some info about them, and I'll probably be listening to a little bit more of their stuff to just kind of get the feel of like what's their normal sound like, you know. But yeah, that'll be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all the lovely patrons of our Patreon for supporting the channel. If you want to check out some exclusive reactions to songs or just request stuff, the link is down in the description to Patreon. That's a way to support the channel. And if you want to support the channel here on YouTube, you can also become a member by clicking the join button under the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next one. So stay safe, much love, take care, peace, and